thunderstorm warning for Crawford County in south central Indiana, Du Bois County in south central Indiana, northern Harrison County in south central Indiana, Orange County in south central Indiana, Harriet County in south central Indiana, southwestern Washington County in south central Indiana, until 8:20 p.m. or 7:20 p.m. at 7:13 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Leipzig to Holland, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will also impact Tell City, Paoli, Salem, Jasper, English, Brownsville and Huntingburg Airport, Smedley and Rush Creek Valley, Hitchcock, and Highland, Helene and Tazewell. Repeating.